Welcome back, my dear friends and valued subscribers. In this video, I'll be your guide on how to craft this impressive rolling text animation in PowerPoint. Observe as the letters elegantly roll forward and backward with just a click on this tiny button. Notice how the button seamlessly transitions to gray, signifying the initiation of the rolling animation, and then returns to its original color, indicating the completion of the rolling motion. Surprisingly, it only takes these two types of animations to create this visually dynamic slide. I trust you'll find this animation intriguing. Without wasting time, let's jump right into the video. Let's start by right-clicking on this blank slide to access the Format Background option. Choose the color you want. I'm selecting this white color. Let's have the Selection pane and Animation pane open on the side for quick access. Now insert a text box and type your desired text. Let's use the word rolling, which aligns with the theme of this tutorial. Format the text by selecting your preferred font and size. Adjust the text gap to very loose for a spacious look. And center the text. Align the text box to the center and middle of the slide. By the way, if you'd like to add these exact quick access tools to your quick access toolbar, you can download the exported UI file from my Telegram channel for free. The channel link is provided in the description and pinned comment. To add it to PowerPoint, click on this arrow. Select More Commands. Under Customizations, select Import, Export dropdown. Select Import Customization File. Select the file you downloaded and hit Open. Hit Yes on this dialog box to replace your default one with this custom pick tool. Now you can observe the exact quick access tools in the toolbar that I use in this video. Back to the tutorial. Insert a rectangle on top of the text box. Select both the text box and the rectangle. Go to the Merge Shapes options and select Fragments. Remove the unwanted fragments like this. Select the text shapes, go to the Format Shapes pane, change the fill color as you like, and make the outline no line. Select all the text shapes and group them. Align them properly. If you see this letter O, its size is beyond the guides. So I'm adjusting it to fit within the guides. The same is applicable for the letter G. This also goes out of the guides and I'm adjusting it to fit. Duplicate the text shape and place it like this. Again, duplicate it 3 times to make 5 groups of text shapes. Select all the groups and group them again. Align it to the center and middle of the slide. Now we can ungroup them completely by hitting Ungroup 2 times. After that, select all the letters R and group it. Repeat the grouping for all the other letters as I do. Once done, select the R letter group and position it like this. The last R letter should be within the guides. Next, select the O letter grouping and do the opposite. The first O letter should be within the guides like this. Do this for all the consecutive letter groups as I do. Now we have this rolling word in the middle of the slide. Let's animate the text shapes. Select the R letter group. Navigate to the Animation tab. Open Motion Path Animations. Select this Lines animation. Make sure the direction is down. Now, select the group to activate the animation start and end dots. The green dot is for the start of the animation. The red dot is for the end of the animation. Move the red dot till the first R letter exactly aligns with the existing one like this. Navigate to the Animation pane. Open the Effect options. Set Smooth, Start, and End as 0 seconds. Set the bounce end as 0.75 seconds. Move to the Timing tab. Set the start to with Previous. Adjust the animation duration to 3 seconds. Hit OK to apply the changes. Select the letter O group and navigate to the Animation tab. Select the same Lines animation from the Motion Paths animations. Change the animation direction from down to up. Move the red dot till the last O letter exactly aligns with the existing one like this. Navigate to the Animation pane. Open the Effect options. Set Smooth Start and End as 0 seconds. Set the Bounce End as 0.75 seconds. Move to the Timing tab. Set the start to With Previous. Add a delay of 0.25 seconds. Adjust the animation duration to 3 seconds. Hit OK to apply the changes. Using the Animation Painter, paste the animation properties of the letter shapes R and O like one after another. Let's create a mask that shows only the center shapes. Insert the double wave shape on top of the letter shapes like this. Adjust its waviness height by adjusting this yellow dot. Navigate to the Format Shape pane and make it No Outline. Duplicate the shape and align it like this. Again, duplicate and it aligns itself. Select all the 3 shapes. Go to Merge Shapes and select Union. Adjust the width of the merged shape like this to match the text shapes. Insert a rectangle on top of all the shapes as I do. Make it No Outline. Select both the wavy shape and the rectangle. Go to the Merge Shapes option and select Combine. With the rectangle selected, go to the Shape Effects option. Navigate to Soft Edges and select this preset. Go to the Fill option and select Slide Background Fill. Now you can see the text rolling behind the masked rectangle seamlessly. Let's insert a rounded rectangle to create a trigger button. Adjust the corner radius like this. Adjust its size. Navigate to the Format Shapes pane. Select Gradient Fill. Apply the gradient colors you wish. Change the gradient direction. Make it No Outline. Type Hit Me, which is a call to action. Change the font, color, and size. With the button selected, go to the Animations tab. Apply the Color Pulse animation. Navigate to the Animation pane. Select the button animation and go to Effect Options. Change the color to gray. Move to the Timing tab. Set the start to With Previous and the duration to 2.75 seconds. Make sure you check this Rewind when done playing checkbox. Open the Triggers option. Select Start Effect on click of and choose the rounded rectangle from the drop-down. This trigger option ensures that the animation will start when we hit this rounded rectangle Call to Action button. Now select all the text shapes animations and bring them under the trigger animation like I do, so that all the text shape animations will get triggered when we hit this rounded rectangle button. We've completed all the animations setup. Let's see the output in the presentation mode. Check out how the letters roll forward and backwards effortlessly with just a click on this small button. See the button turn gray, showing the rolling animation has started, and then watch it return to its original color, marking the end of the rolling motion. Hope you can make your own using this tutorial. If you really like this video, you will like this playlist as well. Do check it out. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. We will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye. Signing off, the Slide Master.